Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zendesk CRM lead routing in macros easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Zendesk CRM lead routing in macros, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center by clicking the gear icon in the left sidebar. Locate the business rules section in the admin center. Under business rules, click on macros. You will see a list of existing macros in your account. Select the macros you wish to back up by checking the boxes next to their names. Once selected, look for the option to export the macros, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Export button to download your selected macros as a CSV file. Next, go back to the Admin Center and navigate to the Lead Routing section. In Lead Routing, review the rules you have set up for your leads. You may need to document these settings manually, as Zendesk does not provide an export option for lead routing rules. Take screenshots or create a detailed list of these routing rules for your records. Ensure that your documentation includes all relevant conditions and actions associated with each rule. After documenting the lead routing settings, save your screenshots and notes in a secure location. Now that you have backed up both your macros and lead routing settings, you can rest assured your configurations are safe. Consider storing these backups in a cloud service for easy access in the future. Regularly updating your backups will help you stay prepared for any changes in your CRM setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.